Hello everyone, it's the Whiskey Lizard here with another fan. This one here is a 1958 Westinghouse 2-speed non-reversible box fan. All steel construction. Got the hexagon motor in the back. There's the Westinghouse badge. And the handle. This is one powerful fan. Let's start it up and see how it runs. We'll start on low. And this thing throws out quite a bit of air in low speed itself. Now high speed. Now off. And there you have it. 1958 Westinghouse 20-inch 2-speed box fan. If you really enjoy fans, pictures, videos, or if you're looking to buy one, please check out my website at fansofthepast.com. That's fansofthepast.com. So long, everybody.